material. What was once waste is now a resource.
Moving the intake to the primary belt now. The journey begins at the primary in-feed conveyor.
A constant stream of material moving at 2 meters per second.
Got a piece of metal. Clear.
The material ascends to the primary shredder.
Magnets extract any remaining ferrous metals.
Now, the transformation begins in earnest.
Torque levels holding steady at 90%.
Volume is reduced, creating a consistent feedstock.
These flakes are now ready for the wash plant.
Contaminants like oil, food, and glue must be removed. High-speed friction washers scrub the flakes clean.
Centrifugal force spins the material violently, separating stubborn dirt and debris from the plastic surface within the drum. Natural physics take over as clean polyethylene flakes float, while heavier contaminants sink to the bottom of the tank.
This visual cross-section reveals the density separation process, where gravity and water purity work together to isolate the plastic.
Stainless steel paddles guide the floating material forward, maintaining a consistent flow towards the extraction point of the tank.
The extraction auger lifts the clean material from the water, allowing excess moisture to drain back into the tank.
Spinning at over 3,000 revolutions per minute, the centrifugal dryer uses immense force to expel remaining water. Residual moisture is ejected violently from the system, ensuring that only dry material proceeds to the next stage.
Air transport systems move the lightweight flakes rapidly through clear tubes, connecting the washing line to storage silos. Massive storage silos stand ready to buffer the material, ensuring a continuous supply for the extrusion process ahead. Advanced automation systems monitor every silo level, routing the material precisely to where it is needed for production.
Inside the silo, the clean flakes settle in gently.
Precision dosing valves control the flow rate with exact accuracy, ensuring the perfect amount of material enters the extruder.
Black master batch pellets are added to the mix, providing the consistent color and UV stability required for the product.
Everything leads to the extruder hall, where the heart of the manufacturing process transforms flakes into solid form.
The extruder screw compresses the mixture with immense force, generating the friction and heat needed to melt the plastic. External heater bands raise the barrel temperature to 200 degrees, transitioning the material from solid to liquid state.
Precise thermal control is critical, as digital sensors maintain the exact temperature profile required for high-quality extrusion.
Inside the barrel, the plastic flakes melt into a homogeneous, viscous fluid, ready to be shaped into boards.
Vacuum venting zones remove any trapped air or volatile gases, ensuring the final product is free of bubbles.
The screen changer filters out microscopic impurities, pushing the molten plastic through fine mesh before it enters the die.
The melt pump acts as the heartbeat of the line, stabilizing pressure to create a perfectly uniform sheet. Emerging from the die head,
the molten plastic is transformed into a continuous, wide ribbon of hot material. Gravity feeds the viscous melt directly into the calendaring rollers, which will determine the final thickness and texture. A rolling bank of molten material ensures that the sheet surface remains defect-free and perfectly smooth.
Contact with the cooling rollers rapidly drops the temperature, locking in the shape and creating a durable structure.
Thermal imaging confirms the rapid heat transfer, essential for maintaining the molecular integrity of the recycled plastic.
A continuous, solid sheet of recycled plastic emerges, boasting a uniform texture and structural strength. Laser scanners continuously monitor the thickness, ensuring consistency across the entire width of the production line. The haul-off unit grips the sheet firmly, maintaining constant tension and speed for the cooling process.
Diamond-tipped blades trim the rough edges, ensuring every sheet meets precise width specifications.
Nothing is wasted. Trimmings are immediately vacuumed up and recycled back to the start of the line.
A heavy-duty guillotine slices the continuous sheet into standard lengths with powerful precision.
The result is a perfect, durable sheet of construction material, born from what was once waste.
Surface finish is grade A, no pitting.
Samples undergo rigorous stress testing to ensure they can withstand extreme loads without failure.
Impact resistance tests confirm that the material meets the highest construction standards for toughness.
Exactly 12 millimeters, within tolerance.
Automated palletizing systems handle the heavy sheets with care, stacking them perfectly to protect the finished surface.
Ready for shipping to manufacturers worldwide, each sheet is stacked with robotic precision to ensure safe transport.
From the production line to the loading dock, efficient logistics ensure these sustainable materials reach the world. Builders love the versatility. It cuts, drills, and screws just like wood, but without the risk of rot.
Completely waterproof and rot-resistant, this material withstands the elements, making it the perfect choice for outdoor furniture.
Modern architects are increasingly choosing these sleek panels for sustainable designs that refuse to compromise on aesthetic beauty. We retrace the journey, witnessing the incredible transformation from a discarded plastic bag to a permanent building solution.
By closing the loop on plastic waste, we are not just recycling, we are actively saving the future.
Innovation turns a global crisis into a resource, proving that there is beauty and value in what we discard.
The facility never sleeps, a 24-hour operation dedicated to processing waste and creating value around the clock.
This stamp is a promise of authenticity, certifying that every inch of material is 100% recycled. As the sun sets, clean steam rises, a testament to a manufacturing process that
Our closed-loop water filtration system cleans and recycles process water, minimizing the environmental footprint of the facility itself.
Strategic planning connects the business vision with production reality, driving the expansion of the circular economy model.
Precision trimming blades slice the edges continuously, creating a uniform width while recycling every scrap of waste generated. Extended cooling racks allow the sheets to stabilize slowly, preventing warping and ensuring a perfectly flat final surface. Automated inkjet systems mark every board with a unique batch code, guaranteeing full traceability for quality assurance.
Real-time monitoring confirms optimal energy efficiency, proving that industrial manufacturing can be both powerful and sustainable. Rigorous quality control means imperfections are caught early, ensuring only the highest grade sheets reach the final customer.
A protective film layer is applied to the finished surface, guarding against scratches during transport and installation phases.
Automated maintenance systems sharpen cutting blades with microscopic precision, guaranteeing clean cuts and extending the lifespan of equipment.
As one shift ends and another begins, the human spirit of collaboration keeps the facility running smoothly and safely.
Behind the heavy machinery, a sophisticated digital brain monitors every parameter, optimizing efficiency and predicting maintenance needs instantly.
Advanced dust extraction systems purify the air continuously, protecting worker health and maintaining a pristine manufacturing environment inside.
The transformation is undeniable. From chaotic, dirty waste to uniform, high-purity raw material ready for a new life.
Logistics teams move with calculated speed and precision, navigating the warehouse to keep the supply chain flowing efficiently.
The loading dock becomes the gateway to the world, as finished pallets are loaded for delivery to construction sites.
Digital logistics tracking ensures every shipment is accounted for, providing customers with real-time updates on their sustainable materials. As the truck departs, it carries more than just building materials. It carries a promise of a sustainable future.
Industry and nature can coexist in harmony when manufacturing processes are designed with environmental stewardship as a priority.
And these sheets right here are what we make from the recycled plastic. Yeah. Isn't that incredible? You can actually touch this one.
Yeah. For these children, seeing waste transformed into something strong and beautiful changes their perception of what is possible.
Under the night sky, the facility glows as a beacon of innovation.
Security systems monitor the perimeter around the clock, ensuring the safety of operations as the cycle continues uninterrupted.
Quiet moments in the break room remind us that behind every automated process are dedicated people driving change. Designers embrace the unique aesthetic of recycled materials, proving sustainability is truly synonymous with modern, high-end luxury design.
In gardens, it provides a rot-free home for nature, creating a beautiful contrast between industrial strength and organic life.
Up close, the perception of plastic vanishes, replaced by a premium texture that rivals natural stone or slate.
We are proud to lead the charge in the new circular economy, committed to a sustainable future.
From the heart of our facility to the communities we serve,